Good morning, students. Today we'll continue with the same chapter, that is chapter number 5, with the last concept. Only problem set 23 is remaining, that we will start. So let's start with our last concept of problem set 23. Now in this question, what is 1/3 of each of the collection given below? Now here some questions have been given. You are going to find out what is the 1/3 of that given collection. Now the first question is 15 pencil. Now 15 pencil का क्या करना है हमको 1/3 बताना है. So how we are going to solve this type of sums? Let's see. See, they told about the 15 pencil ka 1/3 you have to tell us. Now 15 pencil 1/3, how you are going to do it? Here you will start 1/3 they ask you, so you will start the first steps should be 1/3 of 15. 1/3 of 15 you are going to find out. That means 15 should divided by 3. Now यहाँ पे क्या दिया है 15 और downward denominator is given 3. So what you will write? You will write 15 should be divided by 3. So if we divide 15 by 3, you can see over with the help of division, 3 will write over here and 15 will write over here. Now in 3 table, 15 is coming how many times? Yes, in 3 table, very good. 15 is coming 5 times. That means 3 5s are 15 minus 0 0. So what is the 1/3 of 15? This is the 1/3 of 15. That means 5. So what is 5? 5 is what? Our pencil. So 5 pencils you will write. So 15 pencil ka 1/3 is 5 pencil. Is it clear? The same way we are going to do the second sums also. Second sums, what is given? 21 balloon. Now 21 balloon means we have to find out the 1/3 of 21 balloon. So what will be our first statement? Our first statement will be 1/3 of 21. 1/3 of 21. Now that means the second statement will be 21 should be divided by 3. See, we are not going to change the 1/3 because it is already given in the question. That is 1/3 of each of the collection given below. So 1/3 will remain constant. It will not going to change. So 1/3 of 21 means 21 should be divided by 3. So 21 divided by 3. Now do the division. Yes, we will do here only division. 21 here and 3 here. Now in 3 table, 21 is coming how many times? Very good. 21 is coming 3 sevens. So 3 sevens are 21 minus it will come 0 0. So how many pencil? No, how many balloon? Because in second question, balloon is given, so we'll find the answer of balloon. So there were how many balloon? 7 balloon. 1/3 of 21 balloon is 7 balloon. 1/3 of 21 balloon is how much? 7. Clear everyone? Okay, now the second question is, what is 1/5 of each of the following? See, in the previous question, we have done 1/3 of the given sums, and now we are going to do the 1/5 of the each of the following. Now, your first question is 20 rupees. See, methods are same, nothing will change. Only instead of 1/3, we are going to do 1/5. So what will be our first step? Equal to 1/5 of 20. Yes. Instead of 1 upon 3, 1 upon 5. 1 upon 5 of 20. Now 1 upon 5 of 20 means 20 should divided by 5. What should divided by 5? 20 should divided by 5. Now in 5 table, we have to see whether 20 is coming, how many times there are. 20 will here and 5. Now in 5 table, 5 4s are 20. So here 0, 0. What is the answer? 1/5 of 20 is 4. 4 what? 4 rupees. 4 kya hai? Rupees. See, whatever is the given with the question, that is 20 rupees, 30 kilometer or 15 liter, that specific should have to be written with the answers. So there is how many rupees? 4 rupees. Is it clear? Same thing we will do for the second one also. The second sum is given 30 kilometer. Now 30 kilometer means it is 1/5 of 30. 1/5 of 30 is, we are going to find out. So 30 should divided by 5. 30 should divided by 5. Now if we divide 30 by 5, what will be the answer? Now you tell me, I'm not going to do the division here. What will be the answer if 30 is divided by 5? Yes, very nice. It is 6 because 5 6 is 30. So here will be 6 kilometer. What will be there? There will be 6 kilometer. Clear everyone? So in this way you are going to solve rest third and fourth sum. That is the homework part for you people. Okay, now copy down in your notebook. Okay, the last question is, find the part of each of the following numbers equal to the given fraction. Now here some parts are given. You are going to find out the equal for the given fraction. Now the first question is 2 upon 3 of 30. 2 upon 3 of 30 here. How you are going to do this type of sum? See. Two upon 3 of 30. One more time you will write here 2 upon 3 of 30. Now here our first step will be this of means it is multiplication. So 2 upon 3 will remain as it is. Of means it is multiplication and 30 will remain as it is 30. Listen, what is the first step? 2 upon 3 will remain as it is. OF of means multiply. So instead of you will write the symbol of multiplication and then 30 as it is. Okay. Now 2 is going to multiply by 30. Now see 2 के सामने क्या है 30. So we'll multiply 2 by 30. Now 30 should multiply by 2. 2 zeros are 0 and 2 threes are 6. So 2 multiplied by 30 is what? 60. Downward is what? 3. 3 के सामने कुछ भी नहीं है. That means divided by 3 only. That means it should divided by 3. So what we got answer? We got answer 60 should divided by 3. Now I have explained you the division also. So we will divide 60 by 3. Now because it is one number, so we'll see the first, that is the number 6. In 3 table 6 is coming, that is 3 2s are 6 minus 6 minus 6 0. This 0 will go down and same 0 will come up. So what we got after dividing 3 by 60, we got answer that is 20. So what is the final answer? The final answer, if we divide 60 by 3, we got 20. Is it clear? Very easy. Once again, I'll repeat the same thing. 2/3 of 30 means 2/3 will remain as it is. Of will convert into multiply and 30 remain as it is. Now सीधा सीधा 2 के सामने क्या है 30, so 2 should multiply by 30. 2 30s is 60. 3 के सामने कुछ भी नहीं है, so 3 will remain as it is. So 60 should divided by 3. So if we divide 60 by 3, we got answer that is 20. See the remainder what we got 0. So we are not going to see the remainder. Only the question part is what? Question we got 20. That means if we divide 60 by 30, we are getting answer that is 20. I hope it is clear for everyone how you are going to divide or how you are going to do this type of sum. Now we'll see the second one also. I'll rub this first one. Okay. Now the second is 7/11 of 22. One more time we'll write 7/11 of 22. Okay. Now our step start. Same 7/11 will remain as it is. Of means it is multiplication and 22. ओके क्या चेंज किया? सिर्फ ऑफ की जगह पे मैंने लिखा मल्टीप्लाई का सिंबल. नाउ 7 के सामने क्या है 22. सो 7 शुड मल्टीप्लाई बाय 22. नाउ 22 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15. What we got answer? If we multiply 22 by 7, we get that is 154. Now downward is what? 11. 11 के सामने कुछ भी नहीं है. It will be written as it is. So 154 should divided by 11. चलो we'll divide here because we know the division also. 11 should divided by 154. Now 11 के table में we are going to see two number that is 15. In 11 table 15 is coming. Now you tell me in the chat box, is in 11 table 15 is coming? No, very good. So what I should take? 11 1s are 11 or 11 2s are 22? What I should take? 1s or 2s are? Very good. We are going to take 11 1s are 11 because if I take 11 2s are 22, तो 15 से बड़ा नंबर नहीं लेना है हमको, 15 से छोटा नंबर लेना है. So 11 1s are 11. Now 5 minus 1 will become 4. 1 minus 1 will become 0. Now this 4 I am going to carry it down. So it become 44. Now in 11 table 44 is coming. Yes, so 11 4s. 11 4s is what? 44 minus 0 0. So what is our final answer? If we multiply 154 by 4, by 11, it is 14. What is the final answer? 14. Is it clear? So in this way, we are going to solve the sum of the fraction, whatever is the given fraction. If this type of sums are given, you have to solve like this only. So here we have done with our chapter 5th last part also.